Yeah.
Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning, and I'm receiving a package from Australia by Wagtail Cleaning Tools. You should check online this website, and I bought some squeegees and also the pad from Wagtail. That's the brand. This is 7 inches. I'm gonna do a demonstration. This is the scrubber for the little windows, and then the squeegee. And this is the high G for countertops. So I'm gonna do the testing later, and this is for my big Wagtail squeegee. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning. And you should check about this Wagtail Cleaning Tools from Australia. He's the owner. Check the website. Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning, and I'm using a Wagtail. This is 7 inches. You can buy larger. You can use an extension if you don't reach. You put some water and detergent. And I prefer to use this system instead of using a cloth. Sometimes a cloth will give you some kind of lint on the surface when it's a heavy spot. You do it like 2-3 times, scrubbing the pad. You don't need experience to do this kind of, or use this tool. So then you switch, and now you're gonna use. Señora, ¿me regala un trapo? You can use it in one stroke. So now I can reach. What happens if you miss this spot? Don't worry, you can go back. It's really easy to use. The finish is great. If you miss something with a cloth, you wipe it. And this is Wagtail, and this is the system. Just scrub, then you move this, and you squeeze. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning, 407-572-4118. Now, using the Wagtail, but this is the IG. Y quiero que preste atención, señora Isla. You spray the disinfectant product, and this creator, that is, how you call? I don't know his name right now. Just spray, and instead of doing with cloth, because he said that you are spraying the germs, so he doesn't like that. Here, on beneath of the squeegee, there is a sponge. And with the sponge, just spray the product. You're just spraying the product with the sponge. Ven, Juan Carlos. in this bathroom, it was the hair, and the hair is a stick on the sponge. You can rinse. You're using the sponge, and then with the squeegee, with one stroke or two, you remove the water, and then you dry. In schools, they use this kind of system to clean desks or big tables. This is the first time that we are using. We are trying just new system to clean, and well, you have to clean regular way the sink. So let's see how it comes. I'm gonna give this to Hilda, so she will try on the kitchen, and she's gonna let me know. We're gonna try it for a couple days to see if that's worth it or it's a good system or not. Thank you, Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-41 Way. Corta.